Helmanson, the Santa Fe Mac, have taken on an incredible new adventure. I have brought with me 50 desktop computers to Guatemala, and I'm in the process of giving the computers away to schools, orphanages, and other nonprofits. One of the wonderful things about Guatemala is the culture and the beautiful people here. And as technology introduces itself into this culture, it becomes ever more apparent that we need to learn how to preserve that culture. And that means that technology can't be something that came from somewhere else. It has to be something that comes from Guatemala. I've been living and traveling in Guatemala for 23 years. I speak the language and I'm familiar with the cultures. The need for technology in this country far exceeds the philanthropic thrust of most of the developed nations. What's needed here is an immense change, and a change that's grassroots, that comes from Guatemala for Guatemala. Santa Fe Mac is a refurbished sales company. We purchase from laboratories, schools, companies, and we assure that all the previous user data is erased. We load a new operating system and we sell the computers. Here in Latin America, the price point for Macintosh as a new computer system is too much for 90% of the population. So in order to integrate Macintosh OS and the basic hardware, a lower price spectrum is needed. These refurbished computers fit the bill, and will introduce these people to the best operating system in the world, Mac. Well, I have these wonderful computers, I have these amazing prices, and I also have some connections here with the Guatemalan government. So I'm beginning right now to work with representatives of different municipalities to get the contracts to put these refurbished computers in the schools here. The price point for me is pretty small, but I will make some money and it will help develop the business. The true growth potential and the true way that I can finance this operation is to provide service contracts to the government for these computers. The service contracts means I need representatives who can go into these small villages and fix these computers. Well, training is what I'm starting. Foundation of this business has always been education. I will educate young native Guatemalans on the process of repair, installations of operating systems, as well as some of the fine-tuning and some of the training that they themselves can offer to the kids. I've already hired people to start on, and they're going to be going into the schools and they're going to be showing children how to use computers. It's an incredible opportunity.